Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Clark, will be your host. With me, Cindy Marks. And Rusty Pate. Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear, must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Fending with Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, hungry for adventure. That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warbot, and the crowd goes wild. And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Forget the Kerwin, show the crowd some of those world-class sharpshooting skills. Well, once he grabs some ammo off yours. Last, the Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route. Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots!
Come on, let's keep this show going!
So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... Oh, Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Welcome to our dome. Watch out for swashbuckling marauders.
Robobots, attack!
Oh, will it bring you back to the good old days, don't it? Our hero's favorite is the enemy. Now, ye must walk the dangerous plank of doom.
More goons incoming.
dropship and end this! A little rusty, but not too bad.
Gone? And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh, pal, what? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Turn yourself in, Lombax!
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Oh, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all. Excellent choice.
More goons! Incoming! the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye! Hey! What did you do?
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
Train has arrived! Release the Robobots!
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
You come?
Might as well give up.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The tax...
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you.
Wow, it's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
Taxi stand?
Our ride's here. Next stop, Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Let him get to the boss!
More mutts.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal. All right, now let's get to Nefarious.
These goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly! We cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses. Toads are so unpleasant. Oh dear, he is targeting us.
Take that, Nefarious!
Where did Nefarious find these?
Today, my ultimate collection
How many times have we heard that?
will be around 80. No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last time.
His defenses are...
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes?
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
How bad is it? Huh?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
Beats me.
Ratchet! To the depths! How many arms you got?
Boy?
We've been boarded! Get off me, ship! Foul creature!
Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator, it... What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Wait, I have to find my friend.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!